Judge Ncube on the 9th of May this year granted Ithala the relief it sought against the repayment administrator and ordered that his orders in his main judgment, handed down on the 13th of November 2024, should be effective, pending the outcome of an appeal for which leave was given. The repayment administrator was granted leave to appeal Ncube's November 2024 judgment, which had limited his authority. Judge Ncube effectively ordered that the freeze on Ithala was partially lifted and that it was allowed to operate without accepting deposits, while the appeal and liquidation matters continue. In its notice of leave to appeal against this judgment, the Prudential Authority says Ithala's application at the time was legally incompetent and that it flouted the banking regulatory framework. It also further noted that the court should have found that once a repayment administrator was appointed, the continued operation of Ithala's business was subject to the control and direction of the administrator. And the authority is also said to argue that the administrator's embargo on Ithala's bank accounts was lawful and that it was done to secure and preserve unlawfully obtained deposits taken by Ithala after the expiry of its exemption on the 15th of December 2023. Ithala made the headlines when the Prudential Authority announced in a statement on the 16th of January this year that it had applied to the Pietermaritzburg High Court for the provisional liquidation of the entity. Ithala, which was often referred to as a bank, has never had a banking license, but took deposits under a special exemption from the Banks Act. The authority said the repayment administrator it appointed had found that Ithala was technically and legally insolvent, which exposed the depositors to potential loss of their deposits. Meanwhile, depositors who were affected by the suspension of their accounts wait for the legal battles to take their course. Renee Heine, SABC News, Durban.